sound of the wind is monotonous and intense. It's cloudy today and there is a sort of hiss of sound and sort of vibration of wind. No people around. As I walk forward, I start to feel a bit vulnerable. So this solitude of the wood, the transition of times, the tree trunks are in part bare and reveal those sort of strong shapes and silhouettes, those sculptural shapes, like different dimension, tree barks that start to change. Awesome. And further on, lots of dead wood, branches and broken trees. Something in me starts to feel uneasy and I wonder, I observe myself, what's out there that is echoed within? Is it the transition of time and debris in nature, as debris in my subconscious, and the strange creatures, those funguses growing on dead wood, and my fear of things that might grow somewhere without my control. And as I feel so gripped by that, I also in awe of the beauty, bringing my mind to the details of this sort of strange beauty, damp and windy and strange shapes growing on dead wood. As I focus, something in me is given to the awe and awesomeness of it all. And I don't feel vulnerable anymore. It's just so incredible. Just attention to that moment in time. In gratitude for the inner journey and outer journey in an autumn day in the woods.